In this video, we're going to talk about how to create just a standard stair, not a custom staircase, but just kind of like the general presets. So architectural, to get to your stairs, you're going to go architectural, then stair here in circulation. So up here in our ribbon, we have our modify tools that you'll probably definitely use. Mode is like your yes, no, confirming if you're good to go. And right here we have run, landing, and support. You're probably mainly just going to use run, landing a little bit, and not really support. Here in components, we have our presets. So we have straight, circular, or spiral, half spiral. We have the left shape winder and a U-shape winder. And I believe I said that wrong. L-shape winder. So I'm going to jump into level 2 and just create a general straight staircase first. So we're going to go to run, and then select my straight staircase, and I'm just going to left click right here in the middle. So as you can see, as I move my mouse around, in gray it's showing the staircase, in blue is telling me the distance and the angle in which I'm drawing them at, and in the bottom left hand corner in gray, it's a little tough to see, it's telling me how many risers I have and how many I have remaining. So as I move it across, you can see that it's changing 3 remaining to 1, 0. I'm going to go ahead and left click. So this is my staircase. It's all set. If I wanted to, I could hit the green check mark, but I don't want to quite yet. Over here in the constraints, I'm going to check to see that it's at base level 1, top level 2. If you want to, you can do additional adjustments like desired number of steps or desired number of risers here. Actual tread depth you can change as well, but I'm just going to keep that as is. But if I left click on my stair, I can do adjustments here. So let's say I needed to adjust this dimension, I wanted to change its width, so maybe instead of 3 feet, I wanted 5 feet, and it would change it. But once I'm good, I'm just going to go ahead and hit the green check mark, and I have my staircase set. So as of right now, it's not currently touching my second floor, so I'm going to go to my second floor plan, select my stairs, use my move tool, snap to the middle, bring it over, and now it's attached from my base level to my top floor. Okay, so what we're going to do is jump back into level 2, go into the stair option. So let's create a U-shape winder. So this one is already preset. As you can see, once you bring your cursor in, the staircase is already set. The riser, everything is already set. So all you have to do is left click, and there it is. I'm going to hit my green check mark. Okay, so now that it loaded, we're going to just left click on it. I want to rotate it. See here, 90 degrees. Then I'm going to move it. So this is going up, so I want this to be touching my second floor. There it is. Go into 3D view. Whoops, I never checked my properties. It was not constrained to the base level, so base level 1, top level 2, apply, and now I have this U-shaped winder staircase on my little structure. Okay. One other additional thing about stairs is when you select the stair, you can, over here in your properties, you can adjust what it looks like. So you have here assembled stair, you have monolithic stair, so basically what it does is it turns it into concrete. There's a couple options there. Same thing is if you select the railing and you go to your properties, you can adjust the type of railing. So if I go to, let's say, glass panel, we can see now that it's a glass panel. I'm going to change this one, let's say, to pipe. It now changes the railing to pipe. So as you select the railing, of course you have additional properties here. If we select the actual staircase itself, and go to edit type, here you can see you have a bunch of options as well. You can change the rules, so the riser height, the run. If we go here, you can change the stringer if it's closed or open. You can also change the width of the stringer as well. But if you do make any changes to this, make sure that you duplicate Otherwise, you're going to adjust every single staircase in there underneath this name. So I'm just going to hit cancel because I don't want to do any changes. But creating basically preset staircases are very easy. You just go, again, stair, choose the one you want, and you can make them slight modifications that you want. Okay?